Ahoy, sailors, and welcome back to Sailors 365.
Are you ready for the trip of a lifetime? Then, it's time to start planning your adventure in Alaska with the leading cruise line in the Great Land, Princess Cruises. With the recently announced summer 2024 season, you can now book your dream vacation to explore the untamed wilderness, majestic glaciers, and close-up wildlife encounters of Alaska.
Princess Cruise Line is the most popular choice for sailors visiting Alaska, and for a good reason. Princess takes more sailors to Glacier Bay National Park than any other cruise line, making it the ultimate destination for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers. With 7 ships departing from 4 convenient home ports, including San Francisco, Seattle, Vancouver, and Anchorage, you'll be able to explore all that Alaska has to offer. Are you looking to experience even more of Alaska? Combine Princess Cruises' signature Voyage of the Glaciers cruise itinerary with their exclusive land tour options, staying at their Princess Wilderness Lodges. With seamless vacation options and personalized service on their Medallion-class cruise ships, there's a choice for every budget, age, and desired destination.
2024 marks the 55th anniversary of Princess Cruise Line sailing in Alaska, and they're ready to help guests make inspiring memories to last a lifetime. John Paget, president of Princess Cruise Line, says it best: "As the leading cruise line in Alaska, we deliver unforgettable vacations, and we're also the most recommended line by travel advisors to their trusted clients." So, what are you waiting for? Get ready for breathtaking scenery, unforgettable wildlife encounters, and an adventure you'll never forget. Now, here is an overview of the 2024 Alaska Princess season.
The Alaska 2024 season is set to offer an incredible adventure, with 158 departures on 14 unique itineraries and 17 destinations, including 5 glacier viewing experiences on 7 ships. On these cruises, sailors will have the opportunity to visit Glacier Bay National Park 86 times, including most of the Voyage of the Glaciers itineraries between Anchorage and Vancouver, and many Inside Passage voyages round-trip from Seattle, San Francisco, and Vancouver.
The Voyage of the Glaciers itinerary will be offered on 3 ships: Royal Princess, Sapphire Princess, departing Saturdays, and Grand Princess, departing Wednesdays. In addition, each cruise will feature 2 glacier viewing experiences, and northbound voyages will include a more ashore late-night stay in Juneau. Finally, for sailors departing from Seattle, the Discovery Princess and Majestic Princess will depart on Saturdays and Sundays for 7-day Inside Passage sailings, including more ashore late-night stays in Juneau.
Crown Princess will depart from San Francisco on 11-day Inside Passage sailings and offer sailors the unique opportunity of sailing under the iconic Golden Gate Bridge. Ruby Princess, sailing from Vancouver, will also offer 7-day Inside Passage sailings, including sailing Glacier Bay National Park.
For those who want to truly immerse themselves in the wild beauty of Alaska, Princess offers a variety of cruise tours. These cruise tours combine a 7-day Voyage of the Glaciers cruise with an extended 3 to 10 nights on land, staying at the exclusive Princess Wilderness Lodges. All cruise tours include a visit to Alaska's top 2 attractions, Glacier Bay National Park and Denali National Park. One of the highlights of these cruise tours is the opportunity to experience Princess Cruise Line's direct-to-wilderness rail service. This service takes sailors directly from the ship in Whittier all the way to the Denali area, giving you even more time to experience the wilderness.
For those looking for an ultimate Alaska adventure, the 17-night Ultimate Princess Connoisseur Cruise Tour is backed by popular demand. This cruise tour features 2 nights at each of the 5 Princess Wilderness Lodges, located on the doorsteps of legendary national parks such as Kenai Fjords, Wrangell St. Elias, and Denali National Park. That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.